Hey, it's nice to see you. Thanks for coming in to watch this video. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Panasonic 5-disc CD player and changer to show you. The model number is SL-PD346. But before we get into it, did you know that on the CD format, there's a much larger range of music that's available? And with downloadable formats like streaming services, there's plenty of music that they don't even offer just because they can't come up with an agreement with the record company and all that kind of stuff. So really, CDs you can get more music with and they won't take it away from you. But let's talk about this. So on the rear panel, you have your audio output right here and then a remote output. And this particular one was manufactured in July of 1992. So to connect it, you'll just plug in your power cable and then plug in your audio cable. Just match up the colors. And then once you have it wired up, you can go ahead and insert a CD. And on the front panel here, you have your power button, time mode button. That'll adjust the way that the time is displayed. You have your different playback functions. You have spiral, one disc, full, and repeat. This is for the kind of random that you want to play. And then over here on this side of the display, you have your program mode button if you want to do program play. You have your search button. You can quickly scan through the song. You have your next button. Then you have your disc select buttons right here. And then you have stop, pause, play, and then disc skip. And then open and close. And this does feature MASH, which stands for multi-stage noise shaping. That's pretty much all there is for this Panasonic 5-disc CD player. It's very basic, but it was manufactured all the way back in 1992, so you can't expect too much. But if you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.